this is Anirban. Welcome to my Geeky Anirban channel. Today I will show you the full unboxing of the SMARTRON t-phone. So that's a new brand over here. And if you want to watch this video till end. So let's see. So these are all the accessories which are there inside the box of the SMARTRON t-phone. First thing is this box itself. At the back the price quoted is around the 10,500, but I purchased these around 7,999 from the Flipkart itself. And this one is a USB cable over here, and this one is a SIM ejector tool, the user guide over here, the charger itself, that is a 5 volt at 2 amps, and last but not the least is the phone itself. So this is the phone here. So at the back of the phone there is a SMARTRON branding over here, that fingerprint sensor over here. At the top there is a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash, and this one is a t-phone branding over here. At the bottom there is a speaker grill with a USB port over here, and at the left side there is a dual SIM tray. Yes, you can use the nano sims, 2 nano sims or 1 nano sim, and micro SD card slot, means it is a hybrid SIM slot. And if you talk about the top, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack with a noise cancellation microphone, and at the right side there is a power on off button with a volume up down button over here. And at the front there is a 5 megapixel camera and 3 capacitive buttons over here. So this phone I have purchased from the Flipkart is around the 7,999. The build quality is quite nice in this budget, especially here it is a metal body over here, with that is a plastic body and it's a silver line. Yes, the phone looks very much premium in hand to hold, and it's comfortable as because it is having the 5-inch HD display, 720p display over here. And yes, you can get the 3GB RAM, 32GB internal, and you will get the Snapdragon 435 processor, that's an octa-core processor. And the last but not the least, that the phone is having the 5000 milliampere battery. That's a very good highlight in this particular budget of rupees 7,999. The phone is having the 13 megapixel rear camera with a aperture of f2.2, and the 5 megapixel camera at the front. This is also having the aperture of f2.2. And if you talk about the Android version, here the Android version is 7.1.1, so that's a no-gut. I don't know when the audio update will come. And if you talk about the storage, the phone is having the, out of 32GB, the phone is having 9.31GB has been used. I haven't installed any of the apps till now. And if you talk about the camera, here the camera, I am not quite satisfied with the camera, but again I have to test a lot. The camera is a 13 megapixel rear camera. The picture is quite nice in this particular photo, but it's not up to the mark. Yes, the Redmi 4 is far better than this. And if you talk about the front facing camera, it is having the 5 megapixel front facing camera with the aperture of f2.2. Hello YouTube. It's not sharp. I was quite satisfied with the Redmi 4 camera, not with the SMARTRON camera. Again I have to test a lot, then I could judge which camera is better, particular with the Infinix Note 4 or the Redmi 4 or the SMARTRON phone. I will definitely give you the comparison of that. And if you talk about the fingerprint sensor, here surprisingly 1 2 3 it unlocks. Again 1 2 3 it unlocks. It's not the fastest, it takes about 2 to 3 seconds like that, but again the Redmi 4 is far more faster than the SMARTRON t-phone. Here one best thing is that you are getting the backlit lights of the capacitive button, so that's a very good thing in this budget. And yes, they haven't give so much bloatware apps. The Google apps are there, the SMARTRON, the few apps, only the T-Cloud, T-Care and the T-Store you are getting in this SMARTRON t-phone. And one more thing, yes, you can also getting the Microsoft apps, that's Excel, PowerPoint, Word, OneNote, Skype, you are getting this, so that's a good thing. And the display is quite bright over here. See, I am giving the full brightness over here. It's very much bright. You can see also, and yes, see the whitish tint. Yes, the one best thing is that particularly for the whitish level, the whites are totally white. It's not so much of yellowish type as compared to the Redmi 4. That's a very good point in this particular budget. And yes, I will definitely give you the full review of this particular phone there, so that I have to test a lot for this.
Just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the
already came at the conclusion of this video of the SMARTRON t-phone. The battery backup is just awesome. I am using the phone almost 1 day. The battery backup is really very excellent. And about the camera, I have to test a lot for this. About the RAM management, about the performance, I will definitely give you the full review of this SMARTRON t-phone so that you could judge which phone is better in this particular price segment. I'm using the Infinix Note 4 also. That's quite amazing phone. I'm using almost 7 months I'm using. So I can give you the difference between the Infinix Note 4 and SMARTRON t-phone. So if you want to see that video, please do let me know in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed my channel first. Like this video, share this video, and give a big smile to me. Stay safe, be safe, ride safe. Till now, bye bye.